It was good, Trapper. So I'm on the XOM chart right now, and I'm looking for plays of the week. It's Monday morning, and check this out. We got a great entry that we can go ahead and make today. This is Exxon Mobil, the gas station. All right, you can see that we've been in a. This is a distribution range. A lot of wicks to the high. Can't push higher highs though after it was already on a strong bullish run. All right, a lot of fails to the high. So it looks like a distribution range. If we're at the top of this range, whether this is gonna break out from this point or not, we're gonna get price to drop down to this range. It has to go and grab. If it was to be bullish or an accumulation range, it has to come and grab the money from these low points. So it's gonna deviate this low at the least, and but also I'm very confident that it'll deviate this low as well. So this is our final take profit. We'll be making money along this whole trend. It could take up to about, let's see, this bull run went from January to April, so about 3 months. All right, so we can make this money during the last quarter of the year, September, October, November, and maybe see what happens in December. Uh, anyway, so this is the weekly time frame. We're gonna go down to the daily. On the daily, you can see that after price pierced or faked out of the range, it came back inside of the range, and that price was retesting to see if basically if it's gonna break out. If this fails, then it is surely is going to distribute itself back to the bottom of the range into the $98 zone or less. So to me, it's already looking like it's breaking down. It failed. It was trying to get up to this previous high, but couldn't even reach that level. Didn't have enough volume. One tap, two tap, three tap, and here's a fourth failure. And this one was a strong. Look how huge that bearish candle was. Strong failure. Came back up, and this I'm gonna go when we get to the 4 hour. You'll see how I marked this range, but came back up again to retest and couldn't even and failed. So now I think we're breaking out. Down to the 4 hour. All right, so ranges within ranges within ranges. All right, that's how I do my analysis. All right, so this was also a mini distribution range down here in the 4 hour time frame, and then after that point, there was a little range up here. We go down to the 1 hour. Boom. There's even another range right here that I caught. And so once we broke out of that range, there has to be a retest to it, and 50% is the level that has to be held by in this case, the bears are the ones who broke out this range, right? Because it was a distribution range, or so they're the ones that control. This is their territory, so they gotta hold that 50% level. All right, so if they can hold that 50% level, then this is a bearish trend. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna break out. That's because this is the retest. So then we're gonna push the lower lows, which is like 113.60. All right, so price came back up, 50% level held. Then it broke my trend line. You see, I had a trend line right there, and I think I marked that up on the daily. Yeah, so there's like a daily trend line. All right, so this a daily trend line, bro. This is a strong trend line. So we gonna get this trend is gonna run for multiple days. That's what that's saying. All right, so we gonna catch all this money. So we go down to the 1 hour. When you see the market open, when it closed on Friday, it was 118. It opened down here at 115, bro. That's like $3 move. If you measure the percentage on that, that's crazy drawdown just in the open. So almost 2% on the open. All right, so this is gonna continue. This is not like it's bro and it's gonna pull back up. No, it's gone. Eventually it'll come back to maybe try and grab some money out of this gap, because a lot of players miss the opportunity to get into the market on this play. But we're finna go ahead and jump in there. All right, so go to the Robinhood account at this point, and I'm on my phone. I'm sharing my trading view on my computer, but I'm about to enter my trade on the phone, so I can't show y'all, but I can talk you through it. And meanwhile, while I'm talking you through that, let's go check out oil. I want y'all to see how oil is performing. Shit's crazy. Look at that. It had a bullish channel at the oil deviated and then broke out of that bullish channel. Came down, had a strong retest. This is the bullish retest, strong retest. Drop back down and playing around at the previous low, right? This is the lower low level that needs to be broken for real to confirm this as now a long-term bearish trend. Which was in the club. MSP, a market structure push. Market has to push price lower than this level. So you see it attempted, failed, attempted again, nephew, baby bottom. Someone shit can stay beside a nigga like this card on. Alright. So attempted again, pull back up, but it was a lower level. You know what I'm saying? Like this is low. This is a lower high. So it's starting to start a new little bearish trend. You could almost mark it like this if you think about it. Yeah, we could do that. I don't know why the trend line looking like that as well. All right, we gonna call this a little. What time frame? We on the daily? It's a D1 trend line. Price is breaking down below here, and this is definitely a confirmation. Like, I mean, the daily hasn't closed yet, but we go down to the 4 hour. 4 hours candle finna close in 12 minutes. 4 hours is that's my favorite time frame. You can definitely trust the information you see on the H4 to hold. All right, so this is a breakout, bro. So oil moves. Oil's the raw material, so it's gonna move before the gas station does. So we got opportunity to make some big fucking money. We expecting this is gonna break down below this 113 level. 113 is gone. It's gone. First take profit at 113. Second take profit right here at 110. So what I'm gonna do? Boom, market like this. Copy paste that motherfucker. Put that bit right there. Yes, sir. Alright, so this TP1. Boom. This TP2. Alright, so we want to try and get some multiple positions up here, right? Different time frames and shit. So you can play it two ways. We gonna do hold on. So 4 hour time frame. Market will probably get down there by, we want to get in for the week, right? So another dollar in my pants from the bus. Yeah. We're gonna take a September 6th trade, and that's the one we're gonna take profit at. That's TP1. It's gonna be 113. Take profit. So. About a 117 put, September 6th expiration. Strike price 117. So that's gonna be TP1. I'm gonna take that profit. Any 9/6 expiration, we're gonna close and take profit this Friday. As far as TP2, it depends on what price moving like around, but we should get a little fight, maybe maybe a little fight right here, and it could. So maybe these will be September 13th. Let me see. Probably want to do 2 weeks from the 6th. That'll give us some cushion, but we'll have we can't really say. That's trying to predict the market at this point. But first take profit is 113. If shit go lower than that, you got enough positions to hold it longer. Ain't got enough time left on your expiration, and hold it down to 110. That's pretty much it. We'll check back in on these. Right now, my account is at $1,000. I got 3 put positions. One of them's up 100%. Shit, let me show you. Face card. Hold back. Hold.